Hey y'all, I know I haven't posted a video in forever, but I'm going to try to post some more makeup videos now that I'm done with school. I'm graduated, I have time now, and today I'm just gonna record this look that I did using this really cheap palette, and I hope that y'all enjoy it. So this is the Beauty Glaze palette, the I Got You edition, and you can get it off of like Amazon for $9 to $10 I think, but for a $9 to $10 palette, it's pigmented. Like, let me show y'all, hold on. I don't know what colors to pick. Okay. It's pigmented. So first what I did, I just put some, you can put some foundation concealer on your eyelid and then set it with some powder, any type of powder, any type of translucent powder, just to, you know, start your base out. Okay, so the first color that I'm going to use is the peachy color in my crease. And next I'm going to use the color next to it, and that one's called Pumpkin, and I'm just gonna build that up as well. And the next color I'm gonna use is this one called Squash, and building it up again. Okay, so next I'm gonna cut my crease, and I'm using this concealer brush by The Real Techniques. Okay, so first I just like tap it down there. Hold on, I don't think that's enough. I like, you know, do it messy, and then I go like this so that I can see where it's gonna crease up there, so then I'm not just, you know, trying to cut my crease and then it goes up there when I look up. So now I'm just filling this in. So now that it looks like this, I'm just gonna take some setting powder, and I'm just gonna set that, since I'm gonna be putting like a glitter eyeshadow on it. So now I'm just gonna take the glitter shadow, and I'm not using any glue, anything to stick it on. I'm just using the just the shadow, and then I'm gonna stretch my eye and just swipe it on. And now I'm just gonna take this shade called Mud, and I'm gonna put it in my corner. So now I'm just gonna do my liner and lashes real quick. I'm just gonna clean up my wing. Okay, so now I'm just gonna do my foundation and stuff just really quick.